People to get the vaccine, Andy Javid said that after 2 doses, his symptoms were so far mild. He's now waiting on a further test following that initial positive result. A result that may raise questions as to who he's recently come into contact with, including senior figures in government. Regardless, it now seems likely that the Health Secretary will be self-isolating on Monday. Illegal restrictions on social contact are lifted in England. Ahead of that moment, the Tory MP and Health Select Committee Chair, Jeremy Hunt, said people should take care.
There's a lot of uncertainty, and if you look at countries that are ahead of us in the curve, like the Netherlands and Israel, if we behave like they have done and change our behaviour too dramatically when the restrictions are changed, then we're going to end up having to do what they're having to do now, which is reconsider reimposing restrictions. So a lot of it depends on our behaviour over the next couple of weeks.
Cases are expected to continue to rise, but hospitalisations and deaths will be a key part of the data ministers will look at. England's Deputy Chief Medical Officer, Jonathan Van Tam, said that while Sandy Javid's results showed vaccines weren't providing total protection, he estimated they'd saved around 30,000 lives in the UK.
We know they're keeping people out of hospital. We do know, however, that they're not 100% effective, but we still need to keep going with these vaccines because they've completely changed the landscape in terms of the numbers of people now going into hospital and very much so the numbers of people dying.
The Liberal Democrats today said that the plan for releasing restrictions on Monday now looked reckless and urged the government to reconsider.
More than 160 people are going to have died.
In Arvila, everything and everyone is covered in thick, sticky mud.